Hi everyone, welcome back to Passionate About Tech. I'm excited to bring you another useful computer science tutorial today. In this video, we're tackling how to remove a password on Windows 11, perfect if you want faster logins or just don't need that extra lock anymore. We'll go step by step to make your PC boot straight to the desktop even if the usual checkbox isn't there, and I'll share some tips to avoid hiccups. It's a simple tweak for anyone passionate about streamlining their tech, so let's unlock it together and get started. Alright, let's dive in. First, press Windows key plus R to open the run box, type netplwiz, and hit enter. Now, you might expect a checkbox saying users must enter a password, but if it's missing, it might be with a Microsoft account. Don't worry, instead we'll switch to a local account. Go to Settings, click Accounts, then Your Info, and choose Sign In with a local account instead. Follow the prompts to create a local account. When it asks for a password, just leave it blank and hit Next. Finish the setup, then restart your PC. You should now skip the login screen. One tip: if it still asks for a password, double-check you're fully switched to a local account in Settings. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more awesome tech tutorials. Your support encourages me to keep creating content like this, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Tell me in the comments why you're ditching your password. I'd love to hear. See you in the next video.